digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they mean.
So we VHT night shading some Chrysler 300 tail lamps. I got one coat on there. He wanted right here below this is the reverse light, so he wanted that matched off like that. It's pretty simple to get to for the most part. This on one harness, and then you got these little screw ends for the most part. Simpler than how the older models are set up. I've never seen it before, so you just unscrew those and they come right out for the most part. This is on the 300. Y'all see.